Good morning, traders. This is Mike with Ripper Trading, and I'm back another morning looking at AMD. After getting crunched at the open yesterday, I'm going to try to be a little more cautious today. Plan A is, like always, for the gap to fill at 1974. There's some major resistance at 1980. So I'll be careful there. If it gets to 74 and I'm in, I'll probably lock in half or put in a trailing stop. Plan B is kind of happening now. Kind of like yesterday, my plan B happened as the bell was opening, and I didn't respect plan B, and that's why I got crunched. So plan B is to short at the failure of support at 1950. So it's kind of right there right now. And if I get in short there, I'll be careful at about 1920-ish. So we got about 30 seconds until the bell. So I'll keep our eye on the price action and go from there. Let's see. The spread's 5 cents right now. That's one thing I got to be more careful over in the morning, is watching the spread. The spread right now, I can buy it for 1950, but I can only sell it for 1945. So that's an automatic loss. Alright, just a little price battle right now. Looking like it wants to sell off. Yep. What you gonna do today? Looking around, Twitter and Apple are up. SPY's kind of down. That was a terrible entry. Damn it. I get crunched again like I did yesterday. Maybe not. Let's go. Breakdown. If we can get through 20, it should be good. I'm scared of 20 though. I'm gonna put in a little trailing because I'm scared of this. 20 is where I would like to have been in already. And oh, we got through it. That's good. Alright. Fridays are a little crazy, so I'm not exactly pissed about quick 200 there. I expected this to bounce around the 20s, and it got a low of 20 or 19, so it's probably going to go through it now, but I got to trust my plan. looking for maybe a long. I'm in long. $32, let's go. You want to break through 36, which is VWAP, and we could maybe take a little run. Come on now. Get through 36. There we go. I don't like this. Ah, crap. That was dumb. I shouldn't have gotten out there. I think let yesterday scare me. Oh, goodness. There it is. Scared. Oh, well. That's what you don't do. You gotta trust it. I had no reason to get out there. And here it goes. This is where, if it busts through 1950, we could see it run up to that gap fill. Goodness, man. Yesterday, terrible entry. Lucky to get back to zero. Well, alright, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm looking at. See, I have 3 screens, so I got a lot going on. This is what I'm looking at right here. I won't even show you the whole thing, it's too big. Let's see. You probably won't be able to see it when I shrink it all the way down to fit this thing, but so I'm showing you guys this and this, obviously, but I'm watching this when I trade, and getting out there wasn't terrible because I wasn't looking at this 5-minute chart, and it's just now going green on 5 minutes, so I probably had no business going long yet. And honestly, it might be a good time to look at another short. Well, let's see if I can give back my profits real quick. I'm in at 40. Perfect. Jump in when it's showing strength. There's a bunch of people stacked at 50, so if it gets through 50, I gotta get out. It's out. I gotta get out. Oh well, that was shitty. Good job. Giving it back. What did I even get out at? And that is why you walk away. 51. At least I gotta get out. Alright. Let's see what we got here. If I can get this thing to pull back to about 55, I might jump back in. Damn it, man. That was dumb, and there's my gap right there. So had a good plan, didn't stick to it completely. The first part was okay. Plan A was to wait for this gap to fill, which it's doing, and I shorted when there was some strength. So, I mean, that was just stupid. I'm gonna get crunched here, or this is a pullback, or it's gonna come all the way back down after filling that gap. Come on now, just die. A lot of people at 57. I'm not liking it. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna get out here. It was looking good for a minute, and a lot of people stepped in to buy at 57. Okay. We might be done for today. I don't like to lose more than 3 times. Damn it, I tried to get in long there, and I didn't have my shit set up right. And that would have been great. Damn it to hell. I would have gotten it all back right there. Well, shit. I am wrong today, guys. Oh, come on. I was a couple seconds. I sold right at the bottom. What did I sell that at? $19.60. I didn't even get that low. I sold here after getting in here. Man, oh man. If I'd have waited a couple more seconds, I mean just seconds, I'd have been fine. Last try. We're in at 69. Let's go. get up there and break through 74 and just go. Man, it's really testing me today. I can't get it right. There's a lot of people stacked up selling here in this area. If we can bust through here, it's gonna rip. 72 stacked up. See, it keeps bouncing off 72. Come on now. Let's go. Bust through 72. Let's go. Man, it's fighting. This is probably a pretty terrible place to jump in. It's due a pullback, a big one. But there's so much buying. Oh, there we go. Get through 74. There's there we go. 75 stack too. Come on, guys. Buy, 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 buy. There's so many people sitting here. If we can get through this area, it's going to go for days. There we go. Golly, 80 stacked up big. Through 80, wow. I'm gonna put in a little trailing for a second in case we get a big pullback. I don't want to take a little bit of this profit back. But if we bust through 80, I'll cancel it out. Come on, rip, baby. '86 is stacked up hard. There's 500,000 people there trying to sell, so there's gonna be a lot of buying have to happen here. Oh, there we go. I'm actually going to take half of it there and then put in a trailing for the rest. See if we can go for a while. Actually, I'm going to take another half of it, maybe. There we go. And now I got an entry at, where did I get in at? 69. I'm going to put in a stop at 70. So I gotta stop in at 73, which is around this area here, right under this. So I'm just gonna let the rest of this run for a while. Well, now it's looking pretty shitty. Looking like I probably should have just taken my profit at the time. If 1980 can hold, we should see our next leg up, hopefully. He's not doing too good right now. Let's go. Next leg up. Reason I locked in most of my 5,000 shares, all I've got is 1250 left, is because the whole dollar usually sets up as pretty strong resistance. So for it to if it breaks through 20, that'd be great, because it should move for a pretty good amount, but 20 is going to try to hold it down. This is one of my longer videos, guys. What's crazy is I try to be pretty quick on Fridays, because it's usually not that good action. It's usually slower, but this Friday is my longest trading day yet. Alright, let's see this reaction to 20. Let's get up there. You know, I could have just gotten out there for a break-even day again. But I'd be kicking myself if I didn't see if it broke through 20 and kept going. I'm just getting a little bit here. And as long as 80 holds here, we're still good. We're still in the driver's seat. It's consolidating right now, which is good. It's on an uptrend on the 1 minute and the 5 minute chart. Let's see, SPY is not really going up though. Alright, testing 80 again. I think I might get out if we break below 80. Yeah, I'm just gonna get out. Oh well, another fun day. Down 121.50. But I mean, we were down over 1,000 at one point, so not too terrible. Guys, have a great weekend. I'll see you back here Monday. Subscribe, like, comment. It'll help the channel get out there and see more people, and I'll just see you Monday.